Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is marker in pytest. Okay, here I have created one Python file. Okay, here I am importing pytest. Import pytest I have given. Okay, and I have created three functions here. And on top of that I have given at the rate of pytest dot mark dot the marker name. So if you just give the name, whatever name you can give, maybe sanity or retest, regression, whatever you want you can give. I'm just giving it as sanity here because during our test life cycle we may get a chance to run only sanity or smoke or whatever the test. Here I am considering we are going to run a sanity test here, and these are the three test cases separately I have given. So each function is a individual test case here. Just consider like that. Here I have given marker dot mark dot any name. Here I have given any name as sanity. To run this file, just you go to command prompt, go to the folder, exact folder, and simply type pytest. I'm just clearing the screen again. Pytest hyphen the marker name. Marker name I have given as sanity. So just hyphen m. Hyphen m stands for marker. Just I'm giving sanity. Okay, here I have made some mistake. Let me check. Go back to my program and check. One failed, two paused. Let me see that what I have done mistake here. Asset. Okay, here I have given the value, improper value, which is not equal to 3. I'm just correcting that. Saved and running again. Now we got the result as 3 paused. So if you want to run these test cases or these functions individually, just mark it as sanity. Say I want to run as regression, other two are sanity test cases. If you want to check that whether this regression test case is working fine or not, here I have given only sanity. You can check that only 2 paused. It didn't touch this regression because regression is a separate test cases here, because I have given marker as regression. Now I am trying to change it as regression here. Now it will run only the particular regression test case, that is that particular functions. Now you can see here one got paused. So in this way you can segregate the test cases and run those test cases separately. If you want to run regression, you can run only regression test cases. If you want to run sanity test cases, you can run only sanity test cases. I'm just trying to go to my folder here. Just I want to show you that what are the files I have created here. Here I have created 3 files. Let me open 8 got deselected. So other 2 files already have 6 test cases. So each is having 3 test cases. Just I have opened this one. You can check it here. I'm just trying to import pytest here. Import pytest. Okay. I'm going to save this one and also changing it as at the rate of pytest dot mark dot sanity here. In another files also I'm going to include these things. Mark dot regression. So in this particular folder it will go and search. If you want to run only sanity, whatever that test cases or functions marked as sanity, it will run only sanity. It will not execute others like regression or retest. Let me clear this one. Let me rerun here. I want to run only regression test cases in that particular folder. Just one got paused. I didn't save, I think so. Let me go back to my file. Retest, let me try. I think it won't work. The reason is I didn't save that one. Yeah, I know. Let me go to that particular program. Yeah, I have opened this one. Let me save this file and try to run. Let me clear the screen now. Try to run regression now. Just only one test cases included here. Let me try to run sanity now. I don't know how many I have given. We'll get the count here at the end of this. Yeah, 3 got passed. So within these 3 files, I have marked sanity just 3 test cases, even though it's separated in different files. Yeah, here you have you can see that I have given only one sanity here. So in this file I have given 1. In another file I have given 2 marked as sanity. So totally 3 we have got, and others 6 got deselected. Let me try to run regression. Yeah, regression I have given only 1 test cases. That means 1 functions within all files. So in this way you can run only any particular test cases marked as either regression or sanity or a retest, whatever. So during test life cycle, if you want to run any particular test case, you can run. Sorry, here I have forgot to include this at the rate of. That's why we are not getting the right count here. Let me clear screen and try to rerun again. Now we will get two test cases in this particular folder and also in all files I have given. Let me try to run sanity here. Here we have got 3 got passed, which means that there are 3 sanity files I have marked as sanity. Let me try to run retest now. 1 got passed, which means that I have given marked as retest only 1 functions or 1 test cases here. So in this way you can test any individual set of test cases in your testing life cycle. Just you have to use marker here. So to mark that one, you have to use at the rate of pytest.mark.sanity skip. If you mark it as skip, it will skip this particular function. Let me skip this particular function and change everything as sanity here, so that you won't get any confusions and all. Let me change everything as sanity here in both the file. So totally we have 6 test cases or 6 functions. So within that I have marked 2 functions as skip. So it will run and show only 4, because rest of them 2 test cases are marked as skip. So if you want to skip any particular test cases, maybe you may face the situation that during test life cycle some development issues will be there, some maybe dummy pieces or dummy not included. In the sense, if you want to skip that particular test cases, you can use this mark.skip to skip that one. So if I have changed another one, so you will get the count now 5. See here, 5 got passed, only 1 test cases or functions got skipped. So in this way you can skip your test cases if you want. Let me run again. Sanity, 6 got passed because I have removed all the skip functions marked as skip. Now let me introduce xfail here. Xfail, if you just run this as xfail, that particular test case will be marked as X paused. Intentionally I am trying to fail that particular test case, even though that asset value matches each other. I want intentionally to make it as fail here. In that case, I don't want to get my test cases listed as failed, so that's why I'm using this one, X fail. Okay, let me use verbose and specific function by giving this hyphen v. V stands for verbose, hyphen s stands for specified. Now it will throw an error because this is not, see, only 5 got paused. One is okay. Let me change this one and see that sanity. If I give verbose, then we will get detailed information. Only 5 got paused. I think that I have made some mistake. Let me go and recheck my function here, because that one particular test case got failed here. I didn't save, I think so. Let me save this one and try to rerun. Okay, I'm running only this X fail functions. Okay, here you can see that X fail here, because that particular test case is fail, but I don't want to list it as simply failed, so I'm just trying to mark it as X